Before we get started, please safely disconnect the power from the system. First, loosen and remove the computer case cover from the desktop. Now locate the M.2 socket on the motherboard. Be sure to confirm with the system manufacturer's manual if the socket supports NVMe or SATA. Loosen the screw and remove the M.2 SSD. Carefully hold the M.2 SSD along the side edges and insert it into the socket by aligning the keys on the M.2 SSD with the keys in the socket. Once properly connected, gently press the back end of the M.2 SSD toward the motherboard, then insert and tighten the screw to secure the M.2 SSD. Put the computer case panel back onto the desktop. Plug in the power cord and boot up your system. If you need any help cloning your drive, please check our Acronis cloning video here. Thanks for watching.